Which one sounds the most fake? Comment 1, 2, or 3. Fact 1. A cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. That fluffy little cloud above your head might weigh as much as hundreds of cars. But because it's spread out in the air, it still floats. Fact 2. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. People were already learning at Oxford hundreds of years before the Aztec Empire existed. So yes, homework is older than you think. Fact 3. One man had hiccups for